Good afternoon, class. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to continue from Mathayom 1. We are going to continue from page 5. We are going to continue from page 5. Write an integer to represent each of the following descriptions. Write an integer to represent each of the following descriptions. Example. We have example. It says 5 degrees Celsius below below the freezing point. So what is the integer that represents the following word description? You look at the word below. The key word is below. Remember, on our integer, last week we learned, we have 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Negative is down. Then above 0, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is if we are using a vertical number line. If we're using horizontal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So the word below means below 0, okay? So your integer is -5. Understand? Very good. Let's look at part A. Part A, 250 meters above sea level. The key word is above. Above. Look at the word above. Part A, 250 meters above sea level. Above means on top, up. Below, down, down. Above, up. So 0, above is 1, 2, 3, 4, continuing. So the answer is going to be 250, okay? Part B. We have the third floor after. Third. This is what is called third. Third. Okay? The third floor after the ground floor. The third floor after the ground floor. We have after. We have the word after. So the key word is after. Third floor after the ground floor. So we have ground floor, which is 0. So after 1, 2, 3. Okay? Your answer is 3. The third floor. It remains 3. Okay? Part C. We have weight reduced by 4 kilograms. The word reduce. The key word is reduce. Reduce. Reduce means cut, go down. Reduce. So you have to find the meaning of these words below in part, okay? For you to understand below, above, after, reduce. So reduce means it went down. Weight reduced by 4 kilograms. The answer is we are going to assume we are on 0. So the weight went down. -1, -2, -3, -4. That is the answer, okay? B. Move 6 steps backwards. The key word is back. Backwards. If I'm standing here and I go like this, it's frontwards. If I go back, backwards. So, backwards. They move 6 steps backwards. What is your answer? 6 steps. -6. Okay? Very good. Part E, we have profit of 50 baht. What is profit? Can you check? The keyword is profit. Check the keyword for profit of 50 baht. What is the answer? Try and find the answer and write it for me. Teacher will check when you come back to school, okay? Very good. Now finish part E and open page 6. Page 6. Okay, so we are going to continue with page 6. Have you finished page 5? Very good. We are going to go to page 6. And on page 6, we are going to learn addition and subtraction of integers. Addition means addition buah. You add two numbers. Subtraction means look, you minus two numbers, okay? So today we are going to learn how to add and subtract numbers. For example, before we go to an example, open your book on page 1. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number that has a positive sign or a negative sign. It's a whole number that has a positive sign integer, okay? A whole number that has a positive sign or a negative sign, including 0, 1, 2, 3, are called integers, okay? Good. A positive integer is a whole number with a positive sign or without any sign. A positive integer, positive integer. You can write +4 or, okay? You can write or, okay? Negative integer is a whole number with a negative sign. This one, okay? Good. And negative, okay. Now we are going to go to addition. Addition is the process of finding the sum of two or more integers, like this one, okay? Good. So before we start, we are going to look at how to find the process of repeating addition of integers. Positive times positive equal positive. Negative times negative equal positive. Positive times negative equal negative. Negative times positive equal negative. Now I am going to show you how to use these signs. Okay? When you're doing addition. Very good. So example 1, -5 plus -2. Remember, in between here, we have times. So negative times positive times negative. Come and check. Positive times negative equal negative. So number 1, example 1 on page 6. Number 1 on page 6. Are you ready? Good. We have negative 5. So we are going to start from 0 here. From 0, we are going to go up to negative 5. Okay, which is negative 5. Plus, into bracket negative 2. You check. Positive times negative. What is your answer? Positive times negative equals negative. So we are going to minus negative 5 minus negative 2 minus 2. 1 from here. 1, 2. Minus negative 2. Your answer is negative 7. Do you understand? Okay, let us try number 8. We have negative 5 plus positive 4. We check. Positive times positive equal. Positive times positive equals positive. So here we are going to plus. Negative 5 plus 4. We start from 0. From 0, we go up to negative 5. Negative 5 plus. Remember, when you plus, you go in front. When you minus, you go backwards. So plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer is negative 1. Okay? It's very easy. As long as you have this table in your head, you are going to understand how to do addition. Okay? Can you practice B and C? Try and find the answer for B and C. B and C. When you finish, we are going to continue next week. Okay, before you continue, can you try part A, number 2? Evaluate each of the following using a number line. Example, we have 5 plus negative 3 plus negative 1. Let me show you 1 minute. Okay, so part 2, evaluate each of the following using a number line. We have 5 plus negative 3 plus positive 1 equal. We need to find the answer, okay, using a number line. So on your number line, you remember positive times negative equal. Here we have negative. Then positive times positive, we have positive. Okay, very good. So on your number line, we have 0. From 0, we go up to number 5. When we are at number 5, minus, you go back. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 2. Plus 1. Go forward one more step. So our answer is 3. So you write your answer. Can you try A, B, and C? Good. So next week we are going to continue with page